Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream rose. First, gather your essential tools and ingredients. You'll need a stable frosting, like a classic buttercream or a firm cream cheese frosting, ensuring it's cool but still soft enough to pipe smoothly. Prepare your piping bags, a flower nail, and a petal tip, such as a 104 or 127. These are crucial for forming delicate petals. To prepare your frosting, start by beating room temperature butter until it's light and fluffy, then gradually incorporate powdered sugar and a small amount of milk or cream. Mix on a low speed for several minutes to eliminate any air bubbles, which ensures a smooth, dense consistency perfect for piping. Finally, divide your frosting and use gel food coloring to achieve your desired vibrant shades. Now let's pipe the petals. Hold your petal tip with the wider end down. Pipe a small cone base onto the flower nail, then create the rose's center bud with a tight, upward spiral. For the outer petals, pipe curved lines, starting from the base and overlapping each one slightly. Rotate the nail as you pipe, building layers of petals to create a full, realistic rose shape. Practice makes perfect. Once your rose is complete, carefully slide it off the flower nail using a small spatula or scissors and place it onto your cake or cupcake. To enhance its natural beauty, add small green leaves around the base of the rose using a leaf tip. This simple addition truly brings your floral creation to life. And for those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals. Enjoy your beautiful, edible cream roses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.